Hello guys, welcome back. It's one of the inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to split sections in WIX. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly split your sections here in WIX? Well, splitting your sections in WIX is fairly easy. So first things first is we want to basically discuss a few things. Now the thing with sections is if you leave them alone, you won't get much out of it. So just to give you the idea, I'm going to click on the add section here on my editor. And in here, what we need to do is we want to go and just click on it. As you can see, the option to basically add layouts or add columns is disabled. Now, the thing with sections, they are just containers or spaces that you could add your elements. Now, if you want to add columns, you need to add a strip. So at the left side here, let's go and click on the plus button. Let's go and click on add element. And from here, you want to go and just choose strip here. And you want to go and choose either one of the following options. I'm going to choose classic here, just an idea. Let's go and just drag it in here so that we now are able to use it. And as you can see, this is our strip. Now, the thing with strips here is you now have the option to make columns. Now, if you click on the layout option here, you now have the option to add columns. Let's go and click on add column. And as you can see, we now have another column. Now, if you want to divide it again, you can go and click on the layouts option again. And from then on, you have the option to basically move it left or right here. So just in case you want to position it in what way. But yeah, so in this case, we have that strip. Let's go and click on strip here. Go and click on layout here. As you can see, you can choose the column proportion here if you want. In this case, you have this one, this one, this one. You can go and reverse the layout as well if you want. So yeah, you could choose whichever here. Now, from here, you could even like add the column spacing if you want and a lot more. Now, if you want to edit, you could go and click on design here. You can choose the border, corners, and shadow if you want to. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.